Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Happy Father's Day!
Hey, happy Father's Day, everyone. Just wanted to talk about my father. From a fourth standard failed person, kind of illiterate shepherd family, to successful businessman in Mumbai. Traveling in local trains more than 25 years. He's not a person, he's a legend. The only way you can show your gratitude to your father with your hard work, with your success, and forever smile on your face. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there. My dad is the calmest, sweetest, and one of the most kind-hearted person ever. I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, it's Father's Day, and as we start growing up, we start realizing that it's not really an easy job. It requires a lot of patience, and the patience which my dad seems to have. It's really admiring, and he has been my role model for as long as I can remember. Thank you.
We love Babu. Baba is strongest. Happy Father's Day. Soldier, my hero, my daddy. Love you. Happy Father's Day.
Hello everyone. So today on this auspicious occasion called Father's Day, I would like to wish each one of the father a very happy Father's Day. First of all, lots and lots of love to my papa, who's always been a backbone to me. Apart, thank you so much for giving me every single thing, your love, your care, everything that you gave me. No matter what, you'll always be my king. Lots and lots of love. Once again, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
To all the fathers out there, whether past, present, or soon to be fathers, Happy Father's Day! A good father is one of the most unsung, unpraised, unnoticed, and yet one of the most valuable assets in our society. A son's first hero and his daughter's first love. To the dad who believes in us and support each day, each time. The older we get, the more we realize that each one of your lessons made us a better person. You will always be our superhero. Where do you find the courage to be so good to us? You are unbelievably awesome. Thank you for all the lessons you have taught us. Thank you for being there in ups and downs. Thank you for believing in us and encouraging to dream big. Thank you for all the sacrifices you have done and made us capable to earn. Thank you for being patient with us, even when we made it difficult for you. Thank you for always being there to hold the hand and make us feel protected and loved. Thank you for always understanding the things that we said and even those we never planned on telling you. Thank you for being our pillar of strength and fountain of wisdom. Thank you for your unconditional love. The older we get, the more we realize how many sacrifices you have made to make our life better. Thank you for teaching us the difference between right and wrong and to forgive others. Thank you for teaching us how to succeed in this harsh life, to be grateful for the little things and never give up. You taught us to never give up by your example and your determination, to never quit when life keeps putting stumbling blocks in front of you. You will always be our best friend, our greatest mentor, motivation, and our deepest roots. Your perpetual belief in our limitless potential empowers us every single day. Our love for you is endless. We are eternally grateful for the knowledge you shared with us and the irreplaceable life lessons that we live by. Your love and care cannot be replaced by anyone, and one day is not enough to thank you. Personally, I feel lucky to be my father's daughter. I was always a daddy's little girl. Thank you for bringing me in this world, constantly being there for me and calling me beta. Love you forever. And once again, Happy Father's Day to all the loving, caring and strong fathers out there. Love you all. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Epic Tales and hit the bell icon. Thank you.